I take 2 strips for the top tier of the top layer. I pin it with pins. I'm sewing a seam. The seam allowances help the width of the foot. Now it is 7 mm. Stitch width 2 to 3 mm of your choice. I finished the seam without sewing 5 mm, so that the tulle is not pulled into the sewing machine, and I start each seam to retreat 5 mm. I finished the seam with a back stitch. I cut off part of the allowance leaving 1 to 2 mm. The result was a strip of tulle 6 meters long. I move this strip of tulle to the side and work with other strips of tulle for the bottom tier of the top layer of the skirt. For this, 8 strips of tulle are used. I pin 8 strips of tulle like this so that it does not twist and so as not to make mistakes. After that, I connect the strips of tulle to each other. Get a strip 24 meters long.